You search for how to buy shares of Bluejay Diagnostics Inc., a medical diagnostics company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker BJDX. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BJDX to find Bluejay Diagnostics. Select the result that corresponds to the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see a short company profile and a price chart showing recent market activity. Double-check the company name and the BJDX ticker to confirm you have the right listing. Tap or click, trade, or buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a pending market order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for a link if you want to explore eToro as an example.